Hello, Account Controller. Today I'm going to show you how to update a name change. You would do the same thing as you doing a change in accounting number or an office code. So if you could go to User Management, FBMS Access, expand that, you'll get FBMS Access Request, then go to Update User Master Record. This is the same place you do your accounting number or a change in office code or a Prism Site Id. So let's say you want to change a Prism Site Id from one site to another site. So when you do the Update Master Record, select for another user. You would do looking for the user. And you got the user, fill out all the necessary information here. Reason, I want to change the user site, Prism site from A05 to A010. Let's assume that's the case. Fill out all the necessary information here. At this point, where you see Prism Site ID, this is where you change to a new Prism Site ID. Let's say A05 to A010 now. Oh, they don't have A010, so let's say A011 is the new site ID for that user. So you want to select that. And if the user needs to change FPDSNG user ID to a different name or Prism Site in rights, there's a change to that. Make these changes here. Then what you need to make a note is go to the application. Make sure you select the magnifier and go to Others tab and select the application type. This is so then that way the FBMS can make a change in Prism. When you do a site change, you need to change in Prism. So you make sure you go to Application, go to Others, and click Application Type for Prism System, and then click Continue. And once that's done, you can click Submit. That is for a Prism change. Now let's assume you want to change your name to a new last name. So again, fill out the main necessary information. You would want to write it name change from Tuyet An Lee to Tuyet An Smith. Okay, so you would do the same thing. My name will pop up, and if you already know the user's manager, you can type it in. If not, you can do a search and then you'll be able to find the manager. So fill out all these information. Where all the asterisks are, make sure you fill those out. Now for a name change, it's a little bit different. Go back to application. Just make sure if the user has a Prism Site ID, you would fill out that Prism Site ID. If they have a Prism access, fill out the Prism Site ID, go to Others, and yes, select the Prism system. If they don't have it, don't select this. Okay, so all you need to select is the SAP tab. Click the application so it can trigger a change in all these systems, and then a SAP EP, click FBMS portal so it can trigger a change in the portal of FBMS. So again, if you do any name change, make sure you go to SAP, select all of that, and then SAP EP, select FBMS portal. And if the user has Prism, make sure you put in Prism Site ID and then go to Others and select Prism for the Prism system and click Continue. All these systems, it will make a change. Do you see all these systems listed? Okay, and again, be sure to change this person to a new last name. And if you want to change to a new name, you can also make a change. Just erase it and then change it to a new first name. That's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the IA FBMS security team at bia.gov. Thank you.